Hello guys, I'm John F. Livilan, and this is a car, a giant car, and everything is opening things, opening hood, opening doors, and this is the pipes, and this is the smoke coming out too, and this is the movable part, and you can take off the tires. It's not very squeezy or squeeze. And in the top, there's a missing top here. Missing, and this part is not takeable at all. And this window, actually, this other part of the steering wheel, you can actually move the things really get out of the rain, and the rain will be going here, and rivers and new ones I have, and see that in another video. Bye bye.